channel. It's time to study with Rajdeepak Singh. Let's start.
Okay, good afternoon, friends. I'm Rajdeepak Singh, and as I've told you that this is my new channel. And in the previous class, as we have done the topic name inclusion and exclusion in average. So in the previous class, we have learned the concept. In this class, we are going to do the question based on that inclusion and exclusion. So let's start the class. This is basically the first question is the average weight of 15% is increased by 1.2 kg when one of them whose weight is 52 kg replaced by a new man. Find the weight of a new man. So again we are going to do these type of question. Even we are going to do every question in average by the use of cross multiplication method in inclusion and exclusion. Okay, and these questions are highly asked in all the bank exams, railways, your FCI, AGM, general administration. This question you are going to get 2 to 3 marks. Definitely you are going to get the question. Okay, so let's solve this question. The average weight we are doing with cross multiplication method. Okay, so average weight of 15%, average weight, let's suppose, is x. Okay, the average weight of 15% is increased by 1.2 kg. So if any average is increasing, we used to write here 1.2 kg. Okay, this is 1.2. Now this 1.2 kg is increasing just when one of them whose weight is 52 kg is going out, that is exclusion, and based on that one man is replacing this exclusion, that we call as plus a as a inclusion. Okay, so now apply your cross multiplication method. First solve the right hand side of equals to, then we will discuss on the left hand side part. So in right hand side I have told you that this inclusion and exclusion make it 0. Okay, 0 into x is 0, and again I have told you there is not any concept of sign. So there is no use of sign in one exclusion and one inclusion. Okay, so let's take sign here for our convenience, these plus minus inclusion exclusion, we get no sign, and here average is increasing, so let the sign be plus. Okay, now cross multiply 1.2 with 15. Now see whether 15 we have to add number of person or not. So in one exclusion and one inclusion we are not going to add any of the person, so the number is 15 itself. Okay, now solve this. 15 into 12 everyone knows 180 point है तो 18 हो जाएगा. Okay, now in the left hand side what we have to do is one as in the previous class I have told you that in the case of one inclusion and one exclusion, what we have to see for this case is that the one who is what we have to see first is whether the average is increasing or not. Okay, so here average is increasing, so whoever includes in the group is actually greater than whoever excludes in the group. It means that a is greater than 52. Okay, a is greater than 52, so what we are going to write, a minus of 52. ठीक है, now solve for a. A is equals to 52 plus 18 and it is 70. So our answer is going to be A here. ठीक है. So and we have to find here A. We have to find the value of A. Okay. So this is the case of one inclusion and one exclusion. Now come to the next question. In a cricket team of 11 players, one player weight 55 kg is injured and his place is taken by a new player, due to which the average weight of a team is reduced by 150 gram. Find the weight of a new player. So here again the same approach we are going to apply. Here 11 players are there. Okay, total 11 players are there. Let's suppose whose average age is X. One player weight is 55 kg is injured. It means he is going out. जो 55 वाला है वो एक्सक्लूजन का केस हो जाएगा. ओके, 55 आउट माइनस मीन्स एक्सक्लूजन. इज इंजर्ड एंड हिज प्लेस इज टेकन बाय अ न्यू प्लेयर. लेट सपोज द न्यू प्लेयर इज प्लस ए. ओके, नाउ यहाँ पे लिखा है कि ड्यू टू विच द एवरेज वेट ऑफ अ टीम इज रिड्यूस्ड बाय 150 ग्राम. इट मीन्स माइनस 150 ग्राम से एवरेज क्या हो रहा है, डिक्रीज कर रहा है. Okay, now what we have to do first is that we are seeing here this is 55 kg and this is gram. We have to convert this in kg because our answer is given in kg. Okay, so for gram what we used to do is 150 divided by 1000. We are going to get 0.15 kg. Okay, so this is actually 0.15 kg. Okay, wait, let me rub this. Okay, this is 0.15 kg. Now what we have to do, apply the cross multiplication technique to calculate the value of A. We have to calculate the value of A here. Okay, now again we are going to solve the right hand side part. As I have told you, in one inclusion and one exclusion, again when we cross multiply this with X, it is 0 into X. There is no use of sign, but still, as I've told you, minus plus is neutral and here minus sign is given, so apply here minus sign. ठीक है, negative. Now 0.15 is going to be this 0.15 kg. Okay, 0.15 kg is the increased in the average. So what we have to do is to cross multiply this with this. Now before cross multiplying, what we have to do is to check whether we have to add something in the group or not. As is the case of one inclusion and exclusion, we are not going to add any of the person in the group. So again 0.15 into 11 is going to be this is going to be happen. Okay, now we have to solve the left hand side of the part. Again I've told you, when the average is going to decrease, so the inclusion part, that which is A, is going to be lesser. It means that 55 is greater than A. Always remember this thing. So 55 is greater than A means 55 minus A. Remember this, 55 minus A. As I have told you that there is no use of this sign in the case of one inclusion and one exclusion. So always take this sign as a positive. I have told you in the previous class also that there is no use of this sign in the case of one inclusion and one exclusion. Always remember this. This is the only thing which we have to remember in the inclusion and exclusion part, else everything is okay with the formula. Okay, now this is plus. Now solve this. 55 minus A is equals to 0.15 into 11 is what? 11 5s are 55, 5 11 16.5, 1.65. Okay, calculate for A. So 55 minus 1.65 is what? 50. I think 53.35 is the answer. 53.35 is going to be the answer. And C is your answer here. Okay, so I hope you are getting the formula correct, because always remember, again I am saying, in the case of one inclusion and one exclusion, you always have to remember that there is no value of this sign. We always have to take this as a positive. whether it is negative or positive, we always have to take positive. We just have to focus on this one. We always have to focus on this one. Remember this, we always have to focus on this one. 55 minus a, okay, which one is greater? We always have to focus on this. Now come on to the next question. Okay, so average age of 8 man is increased by 3 years. So again, 8 man, let's suppose this is 8 man, average is x, and it is increased by 3 years plus 3. Okay, now when two of them whose age is 30 and 34, when two of them whose age is 30 and 34 are replaced by 2%, it means that 30 and 34 are going outside, and 2%, let's suppose the 2%'s age is a and b, okay, plus a and plus b, and this is exclusion case, so put here negative. Okay, now what is the average age of 2%? Means we have to calculate a plus b upon 2. This value we have to calculate. Remember this, a plus b upon 2. Now we are going to solve by cross multiplication technique. Okay, so this you are going to get like what? Again, apply the cross multiplication technique. This is again the same, one inclusion, one exclusion. Not one inclusion, one exclusion. It is actually two exclusion and two inclusion case. Remember this. But again, we are not going to consider the sign on the right hand side. So this is actually 0 into x, and the average is increasing. So what we are going to take, plus or 3, and there is two inclusion and two exclusion. So we just have to multiply 8 into 3. Okay, so it is going to be 8 3s are 24. Now we have to focus on the left hand side. Now in this case, again I have told you that if average is increasing, always remember that the inclusion part is going to be greater than the exclusion part. This is the definition of this cross multiplication method, that a plus b, sum of a plus b minus 30 plus 34 is going to be happen. 30 and 34 ये तो है ना, हाँ okay, 30 and 34 is going to be happen. Now solve this. A plus b minus 30 34 is 64 is equals to 24. So a plus b is going to be your 60 20 80 88. Okay, now we have to we do not have to calculate a plus b, we have to calculate the average of a plus b. So divided by 2, you are getting 44 as the answer. What is the option? C is the answer. C is the answer. C is the answer of this question. Okay, now next question. A batsman scores certain runs in 40 innings. Let's suppose 40 innings, a batsman has an average of x. In the next 40 innings, a batsman scored in next 2 innings he scored 67 and 23 runs respectively. यानी कि वो अगले 2 इनिंग्स में 67 और 23 को स्कोर करता है नेक्स्ट 2 इनिंग में, ठीक है, 23 रिस्पेक्टिवली. देयरफॉर हिज एवरेज एज, जो उसका एवरेज एज है वो डिक्रीज़ करता है किससे? 2 रन से डिक्रीज़ कर जाता है. फाइंड हिज एवरेज आफ्टर 42nd इनिंग. So you can apply find his average his average after 42nd inning. Okay, so we are going to solve this question in a as we know that CMM is applicable in every question. We are going to apply the cross multiplication technique, but in a very different way. Okay, let's suppose 40 innings में अगर वो x score, if the batsman are scoring in 40 innings x as an average, then what is total? 40 into x. Okay, now in the next 2 innings he is actually scoring 67 plus 23, and now as we have to calculate the average, this is actually total. 40 into x plus 67 plus 23 is total. Now there are total 40 students and 2 students are adding, the 40 plus 2 is going to be here. Okay, this is actually the average. Now your actual average is decreasing by how much? Decreasing by 2. X minus 2 is going to be here. Now we just have to calculate the value of x here. When you calculate the value of x, so you are going to get the average of 40 students only. Remember this, because here x is the average of 40 students and we have to find his average age after 42nd inning. Remember this. Okay, so first calculate the value of x. So just solve this, you are going to get the value of x. Solve it. How you are going to get the value of x? So it is 40x plus 60 20 80 90 upon 42. So 42 is 40 plus 2 is 42. Wait, 42, and this is x minus 2. Okay, I do not have that much of space. I'm going to rub the upper part. For the space I have to rub the upper part. Okay, now solve this. 40x plus 90 is equals to 42x minus 84. Okay, now just solve in one line. We're not going to take more steps, just solve it. So we are going to get like 42x, 40 को इधर ले जाएंगे तो we are getting 2x, and 84 is going to be on the left hand side. 90 80 174. The value of x is actually 2 8 is 16, 2 7 87 is the value of x. Now as I've told you that 87 is the average of 40 students. Okay, we have to 40th inning, 40 इनिंग तक उसका एवरेज 87 है, यानी 40 इनिंग तक ही इज गोइंग टू स्कोर 87 एज एन एवरेज. वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द एवरेज ऑफ 42. तो बताया है कि -2 से डिक्रीज कर जा रहा है उसका एवरेज 42 इनिंग तक पहुंचते पहुंचते. तो आंसर व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द आंसर? 87 minus 2 is what? 85 is the answer. C is your answer. So this is one of the technique of the cross multiplication in different perspective. I think you are getting this approach also, because this is also one of the different technique of cross multiplication method. That's why I have taken this question. Okay, now just come to the next question. Come to the fifth question. This is actually question number 5. The average weight of some students in a class was 60.5. Okay, now let's suppose there are x students whose average weight is 60.5. When 8 students whose average weight was 65, when 8 students, let's suppose there are 8 students whose average weight is 60.5. ठीक है, 60.5. when a student whose average weight was 65 kg is given. Sorry, my mistake, this is 65. Okay, average weight of 8 student is actually given is 65 kg, and this is 60.5 kg. When 8 student, okay, joined the class, then the average weight of all the students increased by 0.9 kg. It means that this is plus 0.9. The number of students in the class initially was, and we have to calculate the value of x. This is very simple question. I think everybody do this. This is very simple question. Okay, first solve the right hand side. I've told you that there is one, this is only a single inclusion case. One inclusion case, cross multiply it. So what you are going to get? 1 into 60.5, and as this is also including, it means plus, and this is the average is also going to increase, plus is always plus, remember this. So we are going to take plus sign here. Okay, now we have to, what we have to do, let me rub this. what we have to do, we have to cross multiply this one 0.9. Now before multiplying 0.9 what we are going to do is, there are total x students and 8 students are going to add in this particular group. So what we are going to get, x plus 8. This is the one which we have to understand in this question. Okay, x plus 8 is going to be happen. Now we have to solve the left hand side part. As I've told you that left hand side is always going to be the total of the ages of 8 students. So what is the total age of 8 students? 8 into 65. Why? Because the average weight of 8 student is 65. The total weight of 8 student is 65 into 8. Very simple. Now solve this question for x. So if you solve this question, 65 into 8, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 40, 520 is here. Okay, and this is 60.5. This is going to be 0.9x and plus 7.2. 9 8 is 72 and point. Okay, now for the space again I have to rub this one. Wait. Okay, now solve this. 520 is equals to 60.5. Yes, this is actually not 60.5. Sorry, this is actually not 60.5. That's why I'm thinking that I have done somewhere wrong. This is not 60.5, my dear. There are total 8 students which we are including. So if we are adding x plus 8, then there are also 8 student here. So when you cross multiply here 8 student, तो 60.5 into 8 होगा ना, 60.5 into 8 होगा यहाँ पे. आप इसको करेक्शन कर लेना, यहाँ पे 60.5 into 8 होगा. 60.5 into 8 is actually 484. Okay, 484. ठीक है. Now 0.9x plus 0.9x plus 7.2. Now rub this. Now the value of x. What is the value of x? So this is going to be 484. 520 minus होगा 36 minus 7.2 is equals to 0.9x. 0.9x, and the value of x is going to be 36 minus 7.2 is 28.8 upon 0.9. ठीक है, तो you are getting the value of x is 9 3 is 27, 9 3 is 27, 9 2 is 32. So 32 is the value of what we have to calculate, the number of student in the class initially. X की value 32. A is the answer. A is the answer of this question. Remember in this question that we have done one thing wrong initially, that we have not multiplied 60.5 by 8. So remember, we have to multiply this 60.5 by 8 because there are total 8 students which are going to be in the case of inclusion. Okay, this is the case of inclusion only, and total 8 students we are including here. So remember that we have to multiply these 8 students with 60.5. So this is again the cross multiplication technique we have applied in this particular question. Remember this, don't do the mistake. I have done the mistakes. This is the silly mistake in which your question is going to be wrong. Okay, so be always in your head as a reminder that how many number of students are going to be added in the particular question, and do accordingly. Okay, now what we are going to do is the next question. So this is the 7th question, and this is also the last, 6th question, and this is also the last question. So I am going to give this question as a homework. Just tell me the answer of this question. I know everyone is able to solve the answer of this question. Okay, but I want you to solve this question by doing cross multiplication method and tell me the answer. What is the exact answer of question number 6? This is question number 6th question of this video. So tell me the answer of the question and do comment the answer of question number 6, okay, in the comment section. Remember this, you have to tell the answer. So this is it. We are now from now onwards we are not going to discuss on average, because I have tell you every single thing on average, and based on this method, again I am saying that you are going to solve every single question of average, which is used to ask in like every exam of railways, SSC. You just apply this method and just practice on this method again and again. Then your average is not going to be a burden, as a burden in numerical ability. Remember, now from now onwards you have to just take one thought in your mind, that you are now not going to skip average question, at least in the exam. Don't skip average question in the exam. Apply the cross multiplication method. Okay, so this is it. Now I'm just ending the video, and lastly again I am saying, if you are liking the channel, if you like the channel, please do subscribe, and also please comment on this particular video. The your response is quite very much effective, or like I have earlier told you that this is my new channel, so it's been very difficult to make videos right now, as I am also the aspirant, and I used to go outside for frequently, so it's been very difficult for me to make videos. And once your response comes with respect to whether, okay sir, we are getting the benefits of this particular video, then it's going to be good with respect to me to make the video. It actually boosts me that, okay, students are taking me interest, whatever topic I am making the video. So it actually motivates me, and makes me feel that I have to make more videos. So this is it. Okay, thank you.